Hello everyone, it's Farmanali. Today we will learn about OSI model in networking. So we will discuss about transport layer, session layer, presentation layer and application layer. Question number 1 is what is the primary function of the transport layer in the OSI model? The options are provides end-to-end communication between applications, handles the transmission of data over the physical medium, ensures reliable end-to-end communication between devices, manages logical addressing and routing. The correct option is ensures reliable end-to-end communication between devices. Question number 2 is which protocol operates at the transport layer and provides reliable connection oriented communication? The options are TCP Transmission Control Protocol, UDP User Datagram Protocol, IP Internet Protocol, ICMP Internet Control Message Protocol. The correct option is TCP Transmission Control Protocol. Question number 3 is what mechanism does the transport layer use to ensure reliable data delivery? The options are flow control, error correction, acknowledgement and retransmission, fragmentation. The correct option is acknowledgement and retransmission. Question number 4 is which of the following is not a feature of the transport layer? The options are error detection, flow control, segmentation and reassembly, media access control. The correct option is media access control. Question number 5 is which layer is responsible for end-to-end error recovery and flow control? The options are network layer, data link layer, transport layer, physical layer. The correct option is transport layer. Question number 6 is what is the primary function of the session layer in the OSI model? The options are provides end-to-end communication between applications, manages logical addressing and routing, establishes, maintains and terminates sessions between applications, handles the transmission of data over the physical medium. The correct option is establishes, maintains and terminates sessions between applications. Question number 7 is which of the following is not a responsibility of the session layer? The options are session establishment, data encryption, session maintenance, session termination. The correct option is data encryption. Question number 8 is what does the session layer ensure during data exchange between applications? The options are error-free transmission, data compression, sequencing and synchronization, logical addressing. The correct option is sequencing and synchronization. Question number 9 is which layer is responsible for managing the establishment, maintenance and termination of sessions between applications? The options are presentation layer, transport layer, session layer, application layer. The correct option is session layer. Question number 10 is what does the session layer provide to application during data exchange? The options are data encryption and decryption services, protocol translation services, end-to-end communication services, session establishment, maintenance and termination services. The correct option is session establishment, maintenance and termination services. Question number 11 is what is the primary function of the presentation layer in the OSI model? The options are provides end-to-end communication between applications, handles the transmission of data over the physical medium, formats, encrypts and compresses data for transmission, ensures reliable end-to-end communication between devices. The correct option is formats, encrypts and compresses data for transmission. Question number 12 is which of the following tasks does the presentation layer primarily handle. The options are logical addressing, data encryption and decryption, error detection and correction, flow control. The correct option is error detection and correction. Question number 13 is, what does the presentation layer ensure regarding data exchange between applications? The options are error-free transmission, protocol translation, data compression, logical addressing. The correct option is data compression. Question number 14 is, which layer is responsible for converting data into a format suitable for transmission over the network? The options are transport layer, network layer, presentation layer, data link layer. The correct option is presentation layer. Question number 15 is, what does the presentation layer provide to applications during data exchange? The options are reliable end-to-end communication services, data encryption and decryption services, protocol translation services, data formatting and conversion services. The correct option is data formatting and conversion services. Question number 16 is, what is the primary function of the application layer in the OSI model? The options are provides end-to-end communication between applications, handles the transmission of data over the physical medium, manages logical addressing and routing, provides network services directly to end users or applications. The correct option is provides network services directly to end users or applications. Question number 17 is, which of the following tasks does the application layer primarily handle? The options are data encryption, data segmentation, email, file transfer, and remote login services, error detection and correction. The correct option is email, file transfer, and remote login services. Question number 18 is, what is the primary focus of the protocols at the application layer? The options are physical transmission of data, logical addressing and routing, end-to-end communication between applications, error detection and flow control. The correct option is end-to-end communication between applications. Question number 19 is, which layer is responsible for providing network services directly to end users or applications? The options are presentation layer, transport layer, application layer, data link layer. The correct option is application layer. Question number 20 is, what does the application layer provide to end users or applications? The options are data encryption and decryption services, end-to-end communication services, data formatting and conversion services, network services like email, file transfer, and remote login. The correct option is network services like email, file transfer, and remote login.